You are here. You are here because you're an innovator, a doer, a leader. Because you imagine, design, and build things never seen before. Where others see problems, you see opportunity. You know that tomorrow's biggest innovations start today, and that AI isn't just here, it's rewriting the rules of the game. This is the moment to invent, scale, break limits. Yesterday's databases? They'll struggle with tomorrow's demands. You need a database built to keep up with you. A database that's adaptable by design, capable of handling dynamic real-world data, and speaks the language of AI. A database that cuts friction, fuels speed, and frees you to make the impossible possible. You are here. This is the moment. Your moment. Let's go.